Hello, it's Jam Games here once again, and in this video we are just going to fix a few things and make some things better. So yeah, let's get started. First thing we want to fix is that if we, for example, buy this weapon and kill few zombies. Okay, now I don't have full ammo in this KA anymore, but also now I refill the KA ammo. It also refills this pistol's ammo. So let's fix that. It's not supposed to be happening. Okay, we want to go to the blueprints and PP first person character. When it opens, now we want to go to the set max ammo, and here we want to do a few things. We want to actually remove this sequence, connect that straight to there, remove those, do it like that, move this to here closer, and what we want to do now is we actually want to copy this and remove it. Now, after all this, we want to go here for the first pin, up here. Now we want to add a branch after this, like this. And what we want to check is we want to get the weapon slot in use. Weapon slot in use, like this. And then we want to check if it's equal to 1. So if we are using the weapon slot 1, then we want to set the ammo clip max to the ammo clip current and ammo total max and to ammo total current. Like that. And now what we want to do, we want to copy all this that we just added and just copy and paste it to here. This. And like that. And now we want to change this value to 2. Now when we compile, save, now it should work. But one thing I want to check first. Let's go to the event graph. And actually I will move this event graph to here because I like more. I will remove this construction so we don't have that many tabs open. And now I want to go to here to the top. Yeah, set max ammo from the start. It's set to 0. I want to change this to 1. Like that. Okay, compile, save, and now everything should work on that part. Actually, it is not working. Oh, I found the problem. Sorry. Here we want to get weapon slot in use and connect it to this. Sorry, I have too many of these variables that look the same. This could have been done cleaner, like this variable thing, but I don't know, this works. I'm not that like good organizing stuff, so this works for me. And now when we change those to the weapon slot in use, now everything should work. Yeah, we have the max ammo, and if we shoot, this. Now let's check. We didn't refill this ammo, and let's check one more time. Let's get some points. Yeah, it only refills the ammo of this KA. We have 9 ammo on this mag, and this we have that much. Let's buy. This didn't refill, but this did. Yeah, everything works now. Yeah, that's good. We can close that. The next thing we want to do is, oh yeah, now I remember. Now when we shoot these weapons, I can show you. There is a spear here, and it's not. It is actor, so actor that has the interface that we check if the actor has it, and because of that, bullet holes in it. So I got around this. Actually, I will buy this. It's here to show like this. You can see we can spawn bullet holes in this circle area like that. We can fix that by going to here and event graph, and actually we want to create a new function. let's call that function actors to ignore fire rays or something like that. Now let's add a sequence to here because we want to add some things to here maybe later. Now from the 0 we want to get all actors of class like that. Now we want to get the weapon PP weapon wall by this one, and now from here we want to for each loop like that. We want to connect these out actors to the array, and now what we want to do, we actually want to create a variable or variable array. So we want to call this actors to ignore. What? Actors to ignore, like that. We want to change this type to actor, and here actor object reference. Now we want to click this and change this to array, like that. Now we can actually get this array to here, and from here we can add sorry about that, and connect it to the loop body. So it adds every array element to there. So it runs through all these actors, and it adds every one of them that it finds to this list or an array. So yeah. Now what we want to do, we want to actually go to, we can actually close this, and we can go to fire weapon and fire trace. I think we don't need anything in there, the fire weapon, so we can close that. Go to the fire trace. And here at the start we have the line trace. Here is the actors to ignore. We want to just connect this. Oh, not like that. Get from it and connect it there. Now it should work. And now you can see it doesn't work. It did before. Oh, I forgot to connect it on the here at the begin play. So here is the begin play. We want to connect the function to here. So actors to ignore fire trace, like that. Connect that to there. Compile, save, and now it should work. Yeah. So that's good. The next thing we want to do is we want to, I will show you guys. We want to, now we are, when we are buying the gun, it will show green after we have bought the thing, even when we don't have enough money for the ammo, like this, you can see. It's green for a while. So let's fix that. What we want to do is we want to go to the PP first person character, and we want to find our interact trace, like this. And now, here, after we have set this hot ref, we want to move all this like further, like that. And now we want to add a branch here before connect the true from true there. Now what we want to check is we want to actually get from this hot ref and get interaction accept. Sorry, I cannot pronounce it. Now we want to check is animation playing, like this. And now we also have to connect this hot ref there. And now we can just return value connected here. Sorry, actually we want to get a not boolean first. Not boolean. Like this. And actually I will move this even further because I don't like how that looks. Now it's much better. And I will align those, compile and save. Now it should stay the 0.75 seconds on this KA text after we buy this. So okay, now it works how we want it to work, so it looks good. I will show you guys one more time. Okay, I didn't get enough money or points. Let's kill a few more zombies. If I buy this weapon, yeah, it works how it's supposed to work. Okay, that's good. And the next thing we want to do is actually it's I'll show you guys. This one. Now zombies still have collision when they're dead. Like the other zombies can move them with their legs like that. I don't like that. But if you like, you don't have to do this step. But I don't like that. It doesn't look good. So what we want to do is we want to go to the enemy, PP enemy main, and now we want to click the mesh. We want to go to the collision here, and we want to change this type to pawn, like that. Now I think it should work if I'm not wrong. Yeah, now the zombies go through. That's better. I like that more, but if you don't like that, you don't have to do this step. And the next thing we want to do is we want to fix this little thing that I noticed when I played this for a while. So when the zombies hit us, our health is not regenerating after 5 seconds. And that is because we didn't connect that function here. We only connected it to the full damage. So when I take full damage, it should work. Oh, I didn't take full damage. Let's do it one more time. Okay, it started to regenerate when I jumped. Now it should take 5 seconds. Okay, and now when it's full and zombie hits us, it should not regenerate anymore. Okay, let's check. 3, 4, 5, 6. So when the zombie hits us, health doesn't regenerate. So let's fix that. And that we can fix by going to the first person character, and we want to actually go to the event graph and find our full damage thing here. And now we have this health remove. After this health remove thing, we want to actually collapse these to function. Why didn't it work? Collapse the function. Okay, my Unreal is lagging. Let's try once more. Collapse to function. Okay, now it works. And let's call this function like after taking damage. Okay, like that. And now when we open this, we have these things here. Okay. And now we want to also go to the components and BBC health. Now we're here. We want to actually, after this on hit, we want to move. I will unselect that and I will move this much further. Now after this on hit, we want to get player character, and from here I want to get to first person character like that. Now from here I want to, after taking damage, I want to call this, and where's this, or actually sorry, I want to, oh, that didn't work, much more. Okay, and now connect the condition to actually here, like that. So after this on hit, we call the after taking damage function, and the condition should be the condition here. So which is the if our health is equal or less than 0. So basically if we're dead. Like, yeah, you can see. Compile, save, and now we actually attacks us. Okay, now let's wait. Yeah, it starts to regenerate, so that works. And now there was one more thing that I wanted to fix, or at least make better. Now, when we reload and move to left, the gun rotates, or right. It does like that. And I actually like that it rotates, but it does it too much, so let's fix that. And now we want to go to back to the first person character. We can actually close this PPC health. And now, here where we want to go is actually on the event tick, character sway. Now what we want to do here, we actually want to copy this node from here, connect it to here, that to there, okay, and that to there, okay. So what we did, we connected the whether this is reloading or changing, and if we're not, we take these values, and if we are, we want to actually copy this one more time to here, connect that to there, change this to, I think it was like 30,000, like that, and connect that to the A, like that. Okay, and now what I also want to do, I want to move this like this. Maybe not that much, but okay. Now I think it looks better, and now we have that there. So now it should do the 1/3 of the rotation that we had before. So like, yeah, it rotates, but it's like much lower amount. Okay, it looks okay. And was there something else? I think there wasn't anything else that I wanted to do in this video. So I think that was all for this video, and if you like what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe if you want to continue watching this series. And yeah, see you the next one. Bye.